Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and today I am going to do what I'm going to call a candy apple mani. You might be thinking a little too soon for this, but I can't help it. It just spoke to me. Between the two gel polishes I have from IGel Beauty, the little apple Fimos I have from Charlie's Nail Art, I couldn't help myself. We have got Screaming Green. This is number DD68. How beautiful that is. Did you hear that on one coat, which I kind of destroyed within the hour after doing it, but yeah, I have to take it off pretty good. This is DD112 Cherry Bomb. Love, love, love this color. I'm going to put another coat on. This is one coat. As you know, I'm trying to reach my 1K. I need, at this point, at time of filming, I need like 8 subscribers, I think, to hit 1K. I need to be monetized 286 watch hours right now, and I'm filming this on Wednesday night. I have got some ladies going, excuse the expression, but balls to the wall for me, and I'm floored, I'm overwhelmed, I'm flabbergasted, I'm so appreciative. It's a ride, let me tell you. It is a ride. It's a lot of work on my part and on yours. I thank everyone. Stay tuned for that monetization giveaway. We get this in the lamp. I'm going to cure this for, oops, if I can get it in there. For 60 seconds. And again, these are IGel Beauty, Screaming Green, and Cherry Bomb. Love, love, love these. I bought these with a lacquer matching of each. Each set was $4 because of their 60% off sale, but check that out. So I'll put that over there. We're going to be putting on some apple slices and some foil leafing. Along with that, you know I gotta do this. I have to put some bling on. So that's my plan. That's what we're going to be doing. To put the apple slices on, I'm going to be using the Grip Gel by She Modern. We'll cure those nails for 30 once this comes out of the oven. So please bear with me. I got some stuff to move here. Oh, they're done. They're done. I'm going to knock stuff over. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Please click the bell and click all. That way you get notified of all future uploads. That includes giveaways and any video I might be doing at the moment. We got one nail coated. Doing for our next. And all the new subscribers, I appreciate you being here. Leave me a comment down below and let me know you're with me. Curing these for 30. Happy to have ya. Happy to have ya. Yep, so next is our apples. Woo. And we'll be putting our foil on. And our bling. Can't forget the bling. Can't forget the bling. 30 seconds counting down. Well, not really. It'd probably be like more like 15. Oh. Maybe like 3 seconds and counting down. So now we're gonna go over some apples. I think these are so very cute. I love these. Never knew anything about females till, I don't know, 6 months ago, something. Whoops. Whoops. I think I got 2 apples. Oh, there we go. I'm also going to try and get some foils. Put this on the nail. If you can see what I'm doing. You get another red piece. Voila! I'm gonna stick this back in the lamp though. I don't know why I do this, but I do. It makes me feel like another 30-second cure is gonna help everything, you know, like what's the word I'm looking for? Oh, can't get this oil off the tweezers. Like it'll help secure it in better, I guess. That's what my thought process is. I think it's true. I think it's true with pigments. It will we do. Yeah. I'm getting a little piece over here, something. Whoops. That's kind of a big piece, but that's alright. Oh, we're missing an apple. I don't know where my apple went, but we're going to put another one up here. It's on my finger. Look, can you see it? It's on my finger. It's on the apple. Oh. I do need these though. I do need these. Flip these bad boys over if I can, hopefully. There we go. There is one. And 2. So I am going to get me some Top Coat by Diva in a Bottle by Princess Nails by Diana. This is her line. Check them out on Instagram and Facebook. I'm not sure if Diva in a Bottle has got a YouTube page or not. Princess Nails by Diana does. You can contact her there. Instagram. Oh, shoot. I think that's pretty. And the pinky. Gotta do the pinky too. Can't leave that one out. This brush is really kind of dry. So there are still a group of ladies and still in need of watch time. There will be their lists, their playlist links in my description box. They are Tammy's Manis. Viola Brown nail undercover nail lover. I'm so sorry. Karinas nail design. Snazzy Nail Art Studio by Tia. And on Brc Nails by Kiki. You can still participate in helping Katherine Ford and Brc Nails on their journey. They have each just become monetized. Congratulations to both of those girls. That's what I'm doing. Let's get some bling. Let's get some bling. What should I do here? Let's put some sporadic shapes. Down the nail. No rhyme, no reason. Well, we lost that one. Wherever that bugger went. How does that look? Simple, beautiful. Whoops. Put that in there for 60. I am going to top coat my apples. I hope they stay in place. Lightly go over them so you don't, I mean, they feel secure. You might want to top coat both directions so they are perfectly sealed. I'm not wiping off either side of the brush. This time I am. Just gonna seal those apples in. Okay. Let me start pulling some nails out of the lamp here. And don't think that's a thumbnail for certain. I think those are really pretty. Oops. Right? Right. Put the apples back in the lamp. 60 seconds and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the oven. Look at how cute that is. This is my little rendition of a candy apple mani. I just had to incorporate all these together. That's the name I came up with. Hope you like it. Hope you enjoyed. I know this is kind of hopefully short and sweet. Leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. Would you wear it? What do you think? Honest opinions, ladies. Honest opinions. Please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell. You still have time to enter the 1K giveaway. See ya when I see ya. Have a blessed day and thank you.